So now Nike's making recycled shoes? What it do, YouTube? Welcome back to another video on the Carlton Chronicles channel. Hey, if you're new to the channel, do your boy a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Trying to get the channel to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So help me out with that, man, if y'all didn't mind, you know what I'm saying? But today's topic, or shoe rather, is one of the recycled canvas shoes that Nike's been making lately with this like fall, early fall, late summer, early fall line. And I'm not sure if they're just, this is like a new wave that they own or something like that, but the shoes that they dropped have been pretty dope. The one that I have for y'all today is actually the Air Max 95 version of the recycled canvas. As y'all can see, the box is really different. It's got the whole message with them trying to reduce the carbon footprint in the world. It says "Move to Zero" is Nike's journey towards zero carbon and zero waste to help protect the future of sports. They got it like a little Scantron thing right there on the box. Pretty sure you can scan it and get a little bit more information. As y'all know, I like to get a 12.5 and 95s. But as y'all can see, like when you open the box, there's no paper. So I'm guessing there's like a part of the whole little wave that they got going on as far as trying to, like they said, reduce their carbon footprint in the world. So they didn't put any paper in the box. And I actually looked at a pair of the 90 recycled canvas because I was torn between these and the Air Max 90s, but decided to roll with these as well. But those didn't come with any paper in the box either. Neither did the Vapor Max 2020, I think it's like FK or something like that. But those didn't come with any paper in the box either. And I guess that's, like I said, part of that whole little wave or whatever that they own. But just give y'all a little bit closer look at these. Take these out of the box. They come with just some regular like white laces. Come with just some regular white laces. But the actual colorway on this shoe is pretty dope. I like these a lot. These ones hard, you know what I'm saying? They got the barely vote on the bubble. And if you look really closely, you can see like the little speckles throughout the shoe that they have. It's basically showing you, I guess, like how it's like the recycled material. And I'll show y'all a look on the back here real quick. Look on the back there real quick. You can see like the black lining where the stitches hit the leather. That's actually leather, the material right there on the back. But the shoe itself go hard. You know what I'm saying? I think these are fire. Matter of fact, let me take out this. Take this insole out, and as y'all can see, it's got the little speckles. They show you like the different materials or whatever materials they use, the recycled materials. You can tell by like the little speckles in the bottom of the sole or whatever. But I mean, other than that, it's just like the standard Air Max 95 silhouette. It's got the gray toe box on there. And like I said, man, these colorways are fire. I don't know if these ones hard. I don't know if everybody gonna rock with these. I know a lot of people was jumping on the 90s, and I like those. But I feel like this colorway give you a whole lot more options as far as outfits, and that's how I like to buy my shoes. Is do I have something in that colorway already, and how many outfits do I think I could get away with rocking that particular shoe? But you know what I'm saying. We're gonna go ahead and throw these on feet, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna run outside, throw these on feet, and let y'all see how these look, close up on feet. And you know what I'm saying, you can get a feel for if you wanna cop these or not. Alright? Alright, let's ride. All right, y'all, that's going to bring an end to the video for today. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Hey, if you like the unboxing and the on-feet of these Air Max 95 recycled canvas, hit that like button for your boy. Smash that subscribe button for your boy. And I appreciate y'all once again, man. Until next time, peace.